Okay, so hold on. I mean, both sides of the story. Okay, I just wanted to come talk to you before you took off and they made some allegations against you, okay?
No, they did.
Yeah.
And
okay, do you have ID on you or something?
And they're all against me.
Florida. A dispute over a slow pace of play on a golf course takes a violent turn when a younger customer, Aaron, decides to physically settle the score with an elderly employee. What begins as a verbal disagreement ends with a 79-year-old man on the ground and a chaotic scuffle involving multiple staff members. Taking just 2 seconds to hit that like button means the absolute world to me, and it truly helps this channel continue bringing you these detailed breakdowns. Let's examine the mechanics of how this situation unfolded.
Unruly customer go after a couple of our car guys.
Oh, he went after a couple of them?
Yeah,
he got me, and you got him.
Yeah, both of you guys?
Yeah. He got him, but then he got me.
But he did put his hands on you, though?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ralph just went to talk to him to tell him to speed it up, jumped out of his cart, pushed this man down on the ground. That's when I ran over.
Then he was on top of me.
Then he got on top of you?
Yeah.
Okay. And both of you guys are employed here, staff,
Yeah,
correct?
yeah.
Okay. All right. Biggest thing right now, you on EMS, just check that out? Would you like to have EMS check it out?
I don't know. Should I? Is it a
No,
split
it's
it?
no.
Oh, you didn't split it.
I mean, I wouldn't, but
No,
that's
It's up
me.
to you.
I'm okay.
At the end of the day, you may feel
split, but we want to press charges against that.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
He started it.
We're going to take all the statements from the people that did see everything.
He
Okay.
says he hit him first. There ain't no way he hit him.
Okay.
He just walked over to talk to him, and he shoved him back.
This is his car.
Oh,
This is his card?
That's
Okay. Can you just leave that? Just leave it there for
Yeah,
me?
he left three
Perfect.
empties. I don't know how many he had,
Okay.
but he left 3 empties in the cart.
Okay. All right. What's up, boss man? How you doing? Mind taking your hands out of your pockets for me? Okay.
And my baby.
All right.
That's it.
Okay. You good? You bleeding? I see.
I am, because they hit me, and they're saying they didn't hit me.
Okay. So hold on. I
You
mean,
can-
both
you
sides of the stories. That's fine.
No, it's fine.
Okay. I just wanted to come talk to you before you took off and they made some allegations against you. Okay.
No, they did. And I
Okay.
know
Do you have
they did.
ID on you or something?
She has it.
You have his ID?
What?
My ID.
Yeah.
And they're all against me. And as you can see, I'm sure there's blood all over my mouth because I have cotton mouth now because
But who are you with? You were with her and anybody
I
else?
was with her
No, just
and
me.
one other golfer, but it was a random.
They were
okay.
they moved.
So, Aaron, what happened to her?
So we were on the back nine. I'm gonna wait till he leaves because I'm not gonna have him go over there and tell him shit.
Okay. Mike, you mind going over there and waiting for me over there?
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Okay. So we were on the back nine.
Okay.
I'm a beginner. I was with 3 other beginners.
Okay.
She did not golf. None of us know how to golf.
Okay.
So we're taking our time. We're having fun. I've been drinking. I'm straight up. I'm going to tell you. I've been
Yep.
drinking. I'm not going to lie to you. There's no point. I've been drinking. We've been golfing, and they came up behind us and they said, not word for word, because I don't remember what they said, but basically it was, can you guys speed it up? There was a group of 4 and another group of 4 behind us.
Like you need to pick up the pace. You need to pick up the pace.
Because
But like
our
all
group,
of them
Well,
were
let me.
beginners.
I'll come talk to you after. Okay. I just don't want conflicting.
Yeah,
So-
no, you're fine.
this might have anything to do with it, but I was originally supposed to go out at 12:15.
Okay.
And I went out to, till hole 10,
Yeah.
and everyone was complaining. No one I get it, it's golf.
Right.
They want to be where they're at. They don't want someone to jump in front. So I went back to that
So let's
gentleman.
talk. So I get all this. So I want to get to the altercation part, right? So they come say,
Okay,
hey, can you speed
so
it up, right?
We get back to that back nine. I think we just finished hole 9, or I
We
guess
did, we-
hole 18, whatever. Back 9.
Okay.
And we're on the back 18, I'll call it, and we're coming up, right across where that canopy tent, where all the carts are,
Okay.
and we're coming up. And I said something to him because the lady in front of us said something. I said, "Hey, were you assist good? I'm a beginner. I don't know how to golf. I came out here to have fun. I paid the money. I wanted to golf."
Okay.
And so I said to one of those 3 in the red, I don't know who. I don't want to point out you, and it wasn't you.
Okay.
So I come behind him and I say, "Hey, were you this good when you first started?"
Yep.
And he said, "No." And I said, "Okay, we're all beginners. We're trying to have fun," because they were trying to speed us up because I guess the group behind was complaining. And so we come up here to, literally right there, straight,
Okay.
I guess their clubhouse, whatever it is. And I don't really remember how it started, but the one dude that I pushed got in my face, and to me, I felt
So
threatened.
did you push him first?
I did push him, but he was, I can't do it to you because you're a
Yeah.
cop, but you know, he's in my cart,
Okay.
and I felt threatened, so I pushed him. And
So were you sitting in the golf cart
I was
and
sitting.
he
Yeah.
came up to?
Yes,
Okay.
so I did, and I mean, I might have been the problem. I don't know. To me, I felt threatened. I had my girlfriend here.
Okay. Were you driving the golf cart?
I was
No,
not.
I
She was
was.
driving.
She was driving.
I was not driving. I got up and I pushed him, and me being drinking, not realizing he's an older man, and he fell on his back. And then his buddy, I think it was the taller. No, that's the guy that I pushed. Another gentleman that's not going to show came over to me, and I think he hit. I mean, I'm bleeding. You don't just bleed from
He
bleeding.
did.
And he's saying he didn't. Everyone's saying over there they didn't hit me, but I stumbled and fell. So old man must have had a punch on him, or I'm just a pussy. One of the two. You can laugh if you want. I fell into those trees, literally into the trees, and I got up, and that's when I came after whoever hit me because I was pissed off, and some gentleman
So
pulled
let
me
me
off.
pause for a second. So you push him, he falls on the ground, you get out of the golf cart, and then you feel somebody push you, or did they punch you in the face?
So I got out of the golf cart when he came up to me, and I pushed him. I did push him, and I
got out of the golf cart.
I
when he
did get
came
out of the
to
golf cart because at that point I'm already threatened. You know, I have my girlfriend with me. I'm not gonna let no one touch her. So I got over. You know, you're a pussy over top of him, and then I got hit or pushed. I don't know what. I'm not gonna try and tell you I hit him or I pushed him or he pushed me or hit me.
Okay.
I don't know.
What we're gonna do right now, okay? This doesn't mean you're going to jail, okay? Just based off the thing, I'm gonna put you in the back of my car. I'm gonna
That's
entertain
fine.
you for right now, okay?
That's you
So
guys
just turn
are
around
so
for me. Put your hands behind your back. Perfect. All right. We'll see. They might not even want to press charges, bro. You
No,
never
it's
know.
fine. They already said they're gonna press charges. I might be wrong, but it's okay. I appreciate you guys. It's all on his.
All right, here I'm gonna take your golf club out. So that doesn't get lost in your property anymore either.
Hi again. You have access to the video?
We do.
Okay.
The camera's pointing this way, so I'm not really sure where that happened. It might
Are we
not.
able to see if it caught anything?
Yeah, let's see.
Okay.
I was talking to him. He's asking him.
Oh, there it is.
Wow.
Oh, he's just talking to
He
him.
just went on.
Look at, she's pushing him away. Now here comes the
That's
other
Mike,
guys running
And
over.
it's Scott's running. That's Scott.
Wow.
Well, we see that he went after him, but he was defending his coworker. And now they're on camera.
That looks bad. that doesn't look good on.
To me, it doesn't appear that he's being threatening to him while he's standing by him by the car.
Ralph was just standing there talking to him, and the kid came and pushed him.
I will talk to the other officer real quick.
You got all that?
Yeah.
Okay.
How do I get these in front of me? I'm being nice.
Okay.
Get a picture of my scratch.
All right, ready?
I guess.
We'll be taking a sworn statement / Miranda rights from Aaron at this time. He is unable to raise his right hand. He is admitted to being intoxicated, and I am going to describe to him what perjury is. Perjury is telling an outright lie or knowingly leaving all or part of the truth in order to deceive or mislead the investigation, okay?
And that's what I did.
Okay? So, you don't have to raise your right hand. I'm going to read you a Miranda. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can't be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to attorney. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you for your charge, okay? Do you understand these rights I've explained to you?
I don't have to answer, right?
Do you understand these rights I've explained to you?
I'd like to speak with my attorney.
Okay, so this is regarding the battery from the other guy that hit you.
But you said I hit him
Okay,
first.
you're in custody, so I have to read you Miranda versus a statement affidavit.
I just still don't understand.
The guy who hit you is a separate incident from the guy that.
But why am I in custody? He's not
Okay,
in
because yours is a
That's what
felony
I'm not
because he's
understanding.
older than 65. In the state of Florida, that
Yes,
ups it
but
to a
if
felony.
I still get
Okay.
hit by someone else,
Okay.
it's the same thing.
Do you want to talk to me and give me a statement about the situation or not? I can let him go. It doesn't matter.
Talk to an attorney? Talk to an
Okay,
attorney?
so this is what's going on. So we're trying to press charges on this guy. He has to give me a sworn statement, but I have to read him his Miranda rights to tell me what happened. We already have the video. We've seen what happened. He's being charged on his battery. The only reason that he's going in cuffs is because the guy was older than 65, which in the state of Florida, that makes it a felony. This guy is getting charged with a misdemeanor battery against him. He's just not going in cuffs because it's a misdemeanor because he is not older than 65. But he has to go.
No, that guy.
He's still getting arrested. It's just a ticket instead of a.
He's not going anywhere.
It's a misdemeanor ticket. It's still an arrest.
I gotta go and deal with this shit for 4 hours and then go home.
It's not.
Well, do you want to give me a statement or not? We're trying to. You want to charge it, guys? So then let's do it.
Just do it.
Well, what was the other part about me supposedly lying or whatever?
That's perjury. I'm telling you.
I don't know what perjury is.
That's why I explained it.
Yes, but when I was drinking, I can't explain to you what I don't know. Like, there's a whole video.
So let me tell you guys.
Yes,
So
I'm trying to be
perjury,
nice to you, but I'm getting pissed off because I don't remember everything.
Okay.
I'm trying
so
to
you
figure
say
it
the
out.
best of your ability. I already
Yes,
know what happened.
but
I've
I'm
seen the
still being
video.
accused of lying.
Okay.
Is that right? I'm being
You're
accused
not
of lying.
being accused of lying.
So then what's perjury? Me being accused of lying.
No, it's not. What are you talking about? Perjury is telling an outright lie or knowingly leaving all out part or all the truth in order to deceive or mislead the investigation.
Yes, but if I
that
knew
is telling you
everything,
what
I would
perjury
tell
is.
you.
Aaron,
That's the thing.
stop.
No, I'm getting pissed.
Okay,
I'm in
so I don't
custody,
care.
bro.
I will not charge him. I really do not care.
You can't do that.
understand? I can.
I'm not talking.
Do you want to give me a statement or not? I'm not playing this game with you.
Sure.
Okay.
It's not going to work in my favor anyway.
It is. We're
Video
charging
proof.
him.
I'm trying to be as honest as I can. So we come up to the clubhouse, and I said to her, let's go with that girl. We didn't pay for it. Yes, but we never went. So it's a if. What if? And the guy came over, and he said, hey, can I see your receipt for... I don't want to put words in his mouth, whatever you paid for. And I think I said, we only paid for 9. We're leaving. And then that's when he walked up on me. There might have been other shit said. I don't know. Don't remember. He walked up. I felt threatened because I'm with her. I don't let no one touch her. He came up. I pushed him. He fell. I was being a dumbass and I stood over top of him. I'm an idiot. And then I either got pushed, hit, or something, and then I got back up and I tried swinging, and I think I missed him. I don't know if I hit him. I don't know if I missed him. I felt blood. I was spitting it out. It's on my shirt, scratched up. So I'm assuming something happened. So that is all that I know. And now I'm sitting in a hot ass car sweating.
But I think, and then we stopped out.
So Scott, I'm gonna tell you like this. We have enough evidence to charge you with battery. You have one of two decisions. You make a confession and you go around the route of an adult pre-arrest diversion program. It's a short program where you attend a class in Port Charlotte. You may pay a fine, you may not. And then it's maybe a couple day course where you might do community service, you might not. And as soon as you're done, this is expunged from your record and it basically keeps you from having a record. That's why we have this. Or it's, I arrest you right now and I take you down to Charlotte County Jail to where you have to go down there.
No, I don't want to go to Charlotte County Jail.
So, do you want to revise your statement?
Revise my statement as of what?
As to saying whether you struck the juvenile. Not the juvenile, I keep on saying that, my bad. Struck the gentleman.
No, I never got my hands on him.
Okay.
I was going back there to look. She said all she saw was me running towards that way.
Okay.
And then people got in front of me. Right. He hit me, and then I was still trying to chase him away because he kept still coming.
I got video of you being aggressive and attending him. Yes, he did push down the first gentleman, which he is getting charged with that. Then afterwards, he's already off the guy, being held by his girlfriend. You run over and you throw a punch at him.
I did not throw a punch at him.
I got the video. You think I'm lying to you right now?
Well, after I get hit in the face,
No.
and I work here.
That's fine if you work here, but
He hit me first. I did not hit him.
he already gave you the option. What are we
I'll
doing?
take the option.
What are we
Okay.
doing?
So, do you wish to revise your statement?
What? That I hit him?
Yes. Because you already said you touched him, so you pushed him, so that's technically battery enough as is. So you battered him at one point in time, correct? By shoving him?
Yeah, I was trying to get him down to the ground.
All right. So what you need to do before next Wednesday is you need to contact this phone number, okay? It's to the Charlotte County Sheriff's Office, the Justice Center that we have. It's on East Marion. I guess they moved it down to Punta Gorda. You just contact him. He'll get in touch with you about the program and what you need to do.
Okay.
Okay? Get in touch with them before Wednesday. If not, then we're going to have to put a no probable cause name for you, which is basically a warrant to be arrested for battery. We don't
I'm trying to protect my 80-year-old friend.
Okay. So this is your copy. All I need is a signature right down here.
Is that admitting guilt? Is a signature admitting guilt?
For battering, yes. It means that you did. You shoved him. Just shoving enough is battery. Unwanted touch or strike. That's a statute in the state of Florida.
Okay, but I work here. I was
understand
trying
you
to get
working.
him off the course.
He was already off.
No,
off.
he wasn't.
He was. We watched the video.
He wasn't off the
Scott,
course.
we watched the video. You may not remember.
When was he off the course?
He wasn't off
right
the
here.
course. He was off of him. He was off and pushed against a golf cart by his girlfriend.
Are you admitting to what I said? Because we're not going to stay here last thing I want is you calling in saying that we forced you to say that we told you that you're guilty. We're not doing that.
Okay. Well, I'm not guilty of anything.
Okay.
Put your hands behind your back.
Do you have to?
Put your hands behind your back.
Can I get my wallet?
Absolutely. Walk this way. We'll get your stuff.
Okay.
I'm just gonna take your sunglasses off, alright? Okay. You're gonna get back with all your property. Sit in. Sit in. Yes.
There is a very specific moment in this footage where you can actually see the exact second a hot-headed mistake turns into a potential 5-year prison sentence. We aren't watching a career criminal, we are watching a man who allowed golf rage and a few drinks to override his common sense. To truly understand how a shove over a receipt resulted in a felony arrest and a rejected diversion offer, we have to look past the shouting and examine the sociology of middle-class entitlement, the dark psychology of the alpha protector complex, and the brutal mathematical reality of Florida's enhanced battery statutes. Psychologically, Aaron is operating under what forensic experts call acute narcissistic reactivity, amplified by alcohol. When the 79-year-old employee, Ralph, approached the cart to ask for a receipt or tell the group to speed up, Aaron didn't perceive it as a routine business interaction. His impaired brain interpreted it as a personal challenge to his dominance. Notice how Aaron repeatedly frames the incident around his girlfriend. I'm with her, no one touches her. This is the alpha protector complex. He is using the presence of a female companion as a psychological justification for his own aggression. He projects a narrative where he was threatened, but the security footage tells a different story. It shows Ralph simply standing there when Aaron launches out of the cart to shove him. Aaron wasn't protecting anyone, he was asserting dominance over a man nearly twice his age. This leads us to the sociological layer of status entitlement. Aaron repeatedly mentions that he paid the money and wanted to golf. He genuinely believes that his status as a paying customer grants him a level of immunity from basic social and legal conduct. He views the employees not as authority figures managing a course, but as obstacles to his personal fun. This entitlement is what makes him so dismissive of the officers initially. He is more concerned about his cotton mouth and being in a hot car than the fact that he just sent an elderly man to the hospital. From a legal standpoint, Aaron is trapped in a statutory nightmare he clearly doesn't understand. In the state of Florida, Statute 784.08 is a game changer. It takes a simple battery, typically a first-degree misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year, and reclassifies it as a third-degree felony if the victim is 65 years of age or older. The law doesn't care if Aaron didn't realize Ralph was an older man. The statute is designed to protect vulnerable populations, and the penalty jump is massive, from 1 year in county jail to 5 years in state prison. Aaron's attempt to claim self-defense under Statute 776.012 is also legally dead on arrival. Florida's Stand Your Ground and self-defense laws have a very specific aggressor exclusion. You cannot claim self-defense if you were the primary aggressor who provoked the physical contact. The video evidence shows Aaron as the actus reus, the one who initiated the guilty act. By being the first person to use physical force, he legally forfeited his right to claim he was defending himself or his girlfriend. But perhaps the most baffling part of this encounter is the tactical hubris shown by both Aaron and the intervening employee, Scott. The deputy offers Scott a pre-trial intervention, PTI, under Statute 948.08. This is a legal golden ticket. It allows a suspect to attend classes and perform community service in exchange for a total expungement of the charges. Scott, however, refuses to sign, arguing that he is not guilty because he was protecting his friend. In Scott's mind, he is a hero. In the eyes of the law, he is a liability. Legally, defense of another, Statute 776.031, requires that the force used be necessary and proportional at the exact moment it is applied. Because Scott threw a punch after the threat was already managed by others, his use of force was retaliatory, not defensive. By refusing the diversion program out of pure ego, Scott took a guaranteed clean record and traded it for a criminal battery charge that will follow him for life. Furthermore, we have to look at the forensic decisiveness of video. In decades past, this would have been a he said, she said argument, where the police might have struggled to identify the primary aggressor. But in the modern world of ubiquitous surveillance, the fog of war on the golf course is gone. The officers were able to sit in their cruiser, watch the playback, and see the exact moment the verbal disagreement crossed into felony conduct. This objective reality is what makes Aaron's continued arguing so futile. He is trying to win a character contest when the camera has already provided a forensic map of his crimes. He traded his future for a few seconds of ego-driven violence, entirely failing to realize that the law is an unfeeling machine that cares about statutes, not golf course etiquette. It leaves us with a difficult question about the elderly battery law. Do you think the automatic elevation to a felony is fair regardless of whether the suspect knew the victim's age, or should the state have to prove that the suspect intentionally targeted a senior citizen? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.